Yeah, if you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, maybe even your 30s, late 30s, you start noticing things aren't running like they used to. Libido's dropped, you just work and come home. Your bathroom visits have become more frustrating. You know the symptoms, you know what I'm talking about. You may even wake up with t-shirt sweaty, you sweat through the night. Then you got that lower back pain and like a dull ache in your lower back or your pelvis that doesn't really go away. You're like, yo, I'm falling apart here, man. What's going on? What's happened to me? What's going on? And here's the truth that nobody told us back in high school. This is what we needed to know. And it's not, this is the male body. It's not racial. It's not a racial thing. It's a lifestyle and diet thing. So let's talk about what the prostate gland is. It's a small gland hidden right above your bladder. It's like the engine room of your manhood. I call it the engine room. We focus so much on, our penile gland, our phallus, because that's what we see and feel. But when your prostate is swollen and inflamed or neglected, it chokes off blood, chokes off blood flow. It squeezes nerves. It backs up your whole system. It's like, ugh, that small little thing. It's happening early and early, right? It's not just 65-year-old men. People starting to feel symptoms in their late 30s. The good news is you can rebuild. We can rebuild. You can rebuild your engine room. Here's what you're going to start doing today. Starts with more water. You got to drink more water. Eat anti-inflammatory foods like stewed tomatoes with olive oil or ghee. Pumpkin seeds, pumpkin seed oil, leafy greens that you don't like the taste of, arugula, spinach. Cut down on sugar, processed meats, alcohol. Stay active. You see, I'm always walking. You gotta walk a lot. Brisk walking where you sweat, but that's for blood flow. Yeah, you can splash off, but don't overdo it, right? Moderation. Eat well. Add zinc, some kind of zinc supplement to your diet. Saw palmetto herb, pygeon. Add that to your routine. This is for your oil change. Think of it like, matter of fact, think of it like a tune-up. It's a tune-up. Engine tune-up. You gotta change the filters, drain the oil, May have to rebuild the valve tops or whatever, or rebuild something. Because it's been running. You've been running for many years. And maybe the engine room has been neglected. You feel me? So don't wait until you get to the point of no return. Follow me and subscribe for more men's health tips for natural prostate health, and testosterone levels. Let's get healthy.